This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kara Wisely. New roof installed June 2021. 3-bedroom 2 full bathrooms with vaulted beam ceiling and a pool oasis in the backyard. The home is 2,400 square foot home with lake access to West Crooked. The home features when you walk in the front door you have a foyer, a formal dining room and formal living room with maple hardwood floors. You have a huge family room with vaulted beam ceiling that features a full wood-burning fireplace. The huge kitchen features a granite countertop with tumbled marble backsplash and eat-in space in the kitchen with a full pantry. The master bedroom has marple hardwood through it with a huge walk-in closet. The second bedroom and third bedroom are huge with massive closets. The home features an office room right next to the master bedroom. The home features French doors coming off of the family room to your pool oasis in the backyard. The pool is completely screened with a paver decking and 2 waterfalls coming off the top. The home features a circular drive and a full driveway with 2-car garage with decorative and mature landscaping. Lake access to West Crooked Lake. Low HOA to cover maintenance of access point. Don't miss this home in a small community that has a ton of upgrades, updates, with a ton of space. Make an appointment today. For more information, review the details below.